I'm here at the California Audio Show with Jez Hildred from Audio High. Good morning, Jez. How are you?
I'm very good. And yourself?
Very good, thank you. You have a outstanding looking room with the one-of-a-kind CAS blades.
Absolutely.
Tell us about the system you have set up here today and some of the more featured components.
Okay. So we're sort of almost doing a best of British system with little bits of American and German engineering in there too. So the CAS obviously a statement piece from CAS, long-standing name from the British speaker industry. We've been a CAS dealer for a number of years, selling their reference line prior to this, and very happy with it. And the blades are combine amazing looks. Amazing looks with amazing performance. I'm a particular fan of the soundstage they throw like no other brand. You know, it really is like you're there. On the electronic side, we've partnered it with Chord Electronics from the UK. We're one of a handful of their dealers in the US. As you can see, their stuff is made to very high levels of engineering. And this is their full reference system with their Red Reference Mark III CD player and DAC, which has recently been upgraded to support DSD streaming from hard drives, as well as obviously playing CDs from its transport side. I understand. We're going into their CPA 8000 top of the line preamplifier, and then that goes out to a pair of their SPM 14,000 monoblock amplifiers, which are capable of putting a kilowatt each out. 1 kilowatt each into 8 or 4? Into 8. 8 to 8 ohms, so in the 4 ohms are what? About 2. 2, oh yeah. My goodness. Yeah, so good for big rooms or lots of headroom. And we've also then on the analog side, we're currently playing Clearaudio's not quite their top of the line.
Step below.
Yeah, it's a step below their top of the line, and I can never remember the name of it. It is the
Master Innovation Wood.
And to my right, I'd like to introduce
Joe Wesley.
Joe, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
And you're with?
Musical Surroundings.
And
the distributor of Clearaudio, Ben's Micro. We also are a manufacturer of Fosgate Signature Musical Surroundings products and distributor of Aesthetics Electronics. Here you'll see the Clearaudio's Master Innovation Wood turntable. This is based on their statement turntable that folks know well. It's sitting on its Everest stand, which is a separate piece. It's a two-piece construction. The table itself has a magnetic platter drive. The bottom platter here drives this platter simply through magnetic force. So there's no contact whatsoever between the platter bearing, and the motor drive system. It is completely isolated.
And the table ends where, and where does the stand begin?
It ends right here, and the stand begins here.
There, everyone can see that good.
The material is, in the middle here, is a wood material called Panzerholz. It's made in Europe. It's a ply material that is essentially as strong as steel, but has the characteristics of wood in that it's lighter, and has a better resonance characteristic for music. Steel does not. And it's sandwiched in aluminum that creates that 3-ply sandwich. The tone arm on this table is from Clearaudio. It's their universal. It's a 9-inch radial tone arm. It has a high precision bearing, extremely quiet, perfect place to put a Ben's Ruby Z cartridge, which is made by Ben's Micro of Switzerland, legendary Swiss manufacturer of high-performance phono cartridges.
Very good. Well, thank you very much for the walkthrough of the analog front end.
On the other thing on the analog side is the Aesthetics phono preamp.
Yes, it's the IO Eclipse. That is a 2-box all tube. Even the power supply is tube. That is a reference piece. It's been in production since 1995, and it continues to be in production today. People who bought one in 1995 could have it upgraded all the way to this top of the line. State of the art, built in Southern California.
Excellent. Well,
the final piece of the equation is
here we go.
The Digital Fiends is we also are Meridian's biggest dealer in the country, so we deal with their Sulus music server product line, and we're using that as a digital source as well as spinning CDs here, and everything is cabled with Kabbalah Sosna.
Oh, there we go, everyone. Kabbalah Sosna, Sulus, Chord, Musical Surroundings, Clearaudio, CAS blade. It's Jez from Audio High. Thank you, Jez.
Come and check us out.
Okay.